Tommy Bird.
Today on Tommy Bird, Spyks getting a back rub by his sister. But see how awesome this is. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got? Alright, man.
I'm hoping she got them all.
Oh, fuck, you have one right here, dude.
Oh, God, here we go.
Shoulder! That's my shoulder! Fuck!
Oh, it's so awesome.
Okay, you have another one right here.
Oh, shit. I want to get it.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
I don't feel one. That's my
Get
rib!
it.
Did you pop?
No.
I did! What are you laughing at?
You're being laughed at by a 2-year-old, dude. Buddy.
That is awesome.
The motivating factor why I haven't been sleeping is because of my back.
What was see if you sleep good tonight?
God damn, I don't know.
Do the foot
I
thing.
need a girlfriend to be doing this for me. I need a happy ending after that.
Let me do the foot thing again.
Mm-hmm. They tried to back up because there's smoke right there.
You gotta balance me, dude. I will fall.
Oh shit. Oh!
Why are you complaining?
I don't know, at least it's early. Hey, at least you get a good kick out of it, huh?
Fuck you.
Hey, how about a standing ovation?
There's a standing ovation right there, asshole.
Hey, thanks for the offer, but
Alright,
you know.
hold on. This is gonna hurt, Chris.
Go for it.
Oh, shit!
I'm the heavyweight champion. Get off my back.
I have one question for you.
Better, right?
Chris, I
I want to
have
breathe.
Spike.
Get off. I can't breathe.
Crisis, I have one word for you. Did it hurt?
No, I couldn't fucking breathe.
You probably pressed the button, dude. Okay, man.
Sis, I love you. But right now I hate your guts.
You're gonna feel so much better. Now when I get up, I want you to curl your back, like turn into like a turtle. You know what I'm talking about?
He looks like a turtle.
You might not turtly enough for the turtle.
Turtle shit.
Turtle.
Say that again, bro.
Am I not turtly enough for the turtle club?
No. Get the fuck out of my house.
What do you mean by? What do you mean by turn myself into a turtle?
I don't know,
I
dude.
want you to get on your hands and knees like you are.
Dude, you're
But curve your back towards your feet. Like lift it up off the bed and turn it towards. Like, okay, look at me.
I'm sitting here in my goddamn underwear and we're filming a Tommy Bird.
Look at me. Okay, I want you to go like this. And curve your back upwards and then stretch it out like that. Okay? Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Like this.
Curve it backwards.
Ooh, here you go, big boy.
Dude,
Christopher.
what is this, everlasting gobstoppers or what?
More.
Well, I've got my fucking underwear riding up my ass.
There you go.
Interesting. Dude, I can see your spine. It's awesome.
Okay, now stretch your back like exactly the way you are. Stretch your back this way.
Oh, fuck me.
Now stand up and tell me how you feel.
1, 2,
Stand up and tell me how you
3.
feel.
You're out. Damn, you got up.
Fucking hey, dude.
Hey, Chris.
What?
What's up, man?
How's it feel?
Feeling better.
Yeah?
You listen to
hurting.
it. Hey, dude.
And once the hurt goes away, you'll feel so much better. Trust me. I'll
Dude.
get the knots out.
Dude. You take out the mask now.
Wait. I can take the camera off. This is gonna get really ugly. Turn the camera away.
Okay.
Okay.